Reactiv SUITE is not just great at presenting content, but did you know that you can bring a variety of devices into your meeting? For example, you can bring in microscopes, HDMI inputs, and even document cameras into your meeting. Actually, any video input with a USB can be brought into the Reactiv SUITE workspace. That means you can present using live content, not just screenshots and slide decks. This menu allows you to select the source. Select the device here. Next, select the resolution to display. If you want very high resolutions, make sure that your PC can handle it. If your device has an audio input as well, then select it here, or leave it as none. Then name your source so you can easily identify it in a meeting. You can also assign a thumbnail just to make it even easier. That's it.